Greetings to everyone. Our product innovation, which is Intellideer box as an animal, food container and souvenir at Kemaman. My name is Shalomia and my supervisor is Madam Noor Jalilah. We are from Politeknik Muadzam Shah, Pahang, Malaysia. Our product innovation is an innovative and interactive solution and also have technologies like AR and NFC, and also it promotes environmental consciousness. First issue shows that Asian announced that it wants to promote less popular or lesser known destination to tourists. Second goes to Bukit Jalil Park is becoming dirty due to irresponsible visitor. It all shows that lack of promotion of tourism destination, and also people still do not aware of the effect of plastic to environment and also to animal. As we can see in this table, we have choose Kemaman as our target location. We have two research objectives. First objective is to study the level of visitor perception towards existing animal feeding container at Kemaman. Second objective, to develop an innovative animal feeding container product with interactive technology for Kemaman. Our product have QR code and also NFC which can link to website called Linktree. At the side of the box clearly feature Damrusa, a mini game board printed on the inch of the box. And in the game have online quiz QR code which tests visitor knowledge of deer. And around there is an instruction where it's explained how to play the Damrusa game. And our product have made from eco-friendly pet food container made from biodiversity paper.
The Intellideer box, a technology-based animal feeding container using NFC. When visitors tap their phone, they are direct to Linktree containing AR, videos, and Zoom information. The AR features let users view a 360-degree view, while the YouTube video provides educational content. The box also includes a Zoom map for easy navigation, a fun quiz, and attractive design to enhance the visitor experience. For our study, the reliability value is Chrombatch Alpha 0.858, which indicates good and acceptable reliability. We use a quantitative method based on Roscoe rule of thumb and collect the data from 42 respondents consisting of visitors and staff at Kemaman. The questionnaire had three sections, which is demographic information, visitor perception of the existing food containers, and evaluation of the proposed innovative container. From the findings, most respondents were aged 21 until 29 and come from outside Terengganu. In section B, the highest mean score was 3.93, showing the need for an innovative design and biodegradable materials. The lowest mean was 3.31, related to cleanliness of current containers. For section C, the highest mean score was 4.19 for the use of eco-friendly materials in the Intellideer box, while the lowest was 3.88 for design attractiveness. In conclusion, the Intellideer box enhanced visitors' experience, improved destination competitiveness, support zoo branding and conservation efforts, and contributed to future innovation and research.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Puan Noor Binti, Head of Department for Tourism and Hospitality. So from my point of view, the Intellideer box is an innovative and educational product that encourages family bonding while exploring the wildlife. Its creative use of technology makes both fun and meaningful learning. May this product be benefit to everyone.